The qualification race for Slovenian national team for this season is over. Which our competitor they go to Ivrea?
Well, it was a tight fight, really high level, especially the last 2 days where they were more relaxed, more getting into racing mode. So in K1 main, we have Martinez Rabotnik, Peter Kauser and Niko Testen. C1 men will go Benny Saušek, Luka Bosic and Nate Spolencic. C1 girls, 3 girls we have Alia Kosorok, Evalina Hocevar and Lea Novak. And last in K1 women, Eva Terčel, Olympic spot, Urša Kragel and Aida Novak.
To say Olympic spot, Eva is fixed for others, big fight in Ivrea.
Yes, Eva got the spot securing it here with the results, and the rest of the spots will be certified in the European Championship.
Big fight.
Yes, we are expecting big fight, but if they paddle in the way they did paddle today, for sure we'll get the best competitors to Tokyo.
So tell me, you satisfied with performance our paddler before European Championship, but we know that enough time, 3 weeks till the start of European Championship.
Yeah, the level was really high, as I told you before. We have 2 weeks, 3 to prepare. A little bit of rest now after those 2 races. We'll go back for having more fight.
Thank you and good luck.
Thank you very much.